Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I keep my kitchen sink organized and naturally clean without using any harsh chemicals. We'll dive into the tools and products I use and then go through my daily sink cleaning routine. Let's get started! First up, let me show you how I've organized my sink area. The setup I've put together works perfectly for me. It makes cleaning both efficient and fast. I have a few essential items here, each serving a specific purpose. Here's my sponge holder. It's made of stainless steel, so it's durable and can go into the dishwasher for easy cleaning. This holder is perfect because it lets all the water drain from my scouring pad and dish sponge, keeping things dry and hygienic. I use a sisal fiber scouring pad for scrubbing dishes and cleaning the sink. It's tough on grime but gentle on surfaces. Next to it, I have a natural dishwashing sponge made from sisal fiber and wood pulp. This one is great for washing dishes and pans. These pads are eco-friendly, biodegradable, and a great alternative to synthetic sponges, helping reduce plastic waste. A silicone pan scraper that I use to gently remove food residue and scraps and scrape down dishes and pans without scratching or damaging them. I use a squeegee to wipe food scraps into the sink, clean up remaining water, and remove any liquids from the countertop. It's a handy tool to have. Baking soda is another staple. I keep it near the faucet so it's always within reach. It's a great natural cleaner for the sink and washing dishes. To the right of the faucet, I keep eco-friendly bar soap and dishwashing liquid. I love having them right here for easy access. I choose a dispenser to hold my dishwashing liquid because it's very convenient to use. I'm right-handed, so I keep my kitchen towel on the right side. Over here is my kitchen cleaning kit. I've hung it on the wall to keep it out of the way but easily accessible. It's color-coded in pink for kitchen cleaning. Inside I have gloves, general cleaning spray, DIY isopropyl alcohol disinfectant, old toothbrush for detailing hard-to-reach areas, microfiber cloth. If I spot any stains or need to use a little brush, I can easily grab it from the cleaning kit. The microfiber cloth is great for wiping up any excess water and drying off the sink. Now let's shift focus to maintenance tips to keep your sink in top condition. One thing to remember is how often to disinfect your sink. You should do it at least once a week to maintain cleanliness and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. However, if you handle raw meat or fish, it's important to disinfect the sink immediately after use to prevent cross-contamination. For general use, disinfecting every few days can also help ensure a hygienic kitchen environment. When it comes to my dishwashing sponges, I replace them regularly to ensure they remain clean and effective. While methods like soaking sponges in vinegar, boiling them, running them through the dishwasher, or microwaving help reduce bacteria and pathogens, they may not eliminate all of them. I find that frequent replacement is the simplest way to maintain hygiene. Now, let me explain why I use microfiber cloth for cleaning. Microfiber is incredibly effective because its ultrafine fibers can reach into tiny crevices and pick up dirt, dust, and bacteria more effectively than traditional cloths. Also, they are highly absorbent. They can hold up to 7 times more weight in liquid, which makes them excellent for cleaning and drying surfaces. Plus, microfiber cloths are reusable and durable, reducing the need for disposal products and making them an eco-friendly choice that helps cut down on waste. While there are other biodegradable alternatives that I plan to explore in the future, microfiber cloths are my go-to option for now. Now, let's go through my daily sink cleaning routine. I start by rinsing the sink and using the squeegee to push any remaining food and crumbs into the garbage disposal. After that, I run the garbage disposal to clear out any bits. Next, I sprinkle 2 tablespoons of baking soda all over the sink. I then add a bit of dishwashing liquid to my sisal pad and start scrubbing. Once I'm done scrubbing, I rinse the sink with warm water. Finally, I wipe everything down with a squeegee and a microfiber cloth. If needed, I might spray some isopropyl alcohol disinfectant. And that's it for today. Keeping your sink clean can make a big difference in your kitchen. Now that you've got your space organized for easy cleaning, let's take it to the next level. Check out my other video where I show you how to deep clean your kitchen sink and tackle that garbage disposal, all using natural and non-toxic methods. Thanks for watching.